Alright guys, you already know who it is, you know what it is, your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We have a 2005 Toyota Matrix, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. Only thing you need really is a panel removal tool. I'm about to use these and just come right here because it was already like this. So I'm just going to come right here and boom. Please use your panel removal tool if you got one, and that's it. Boom, there it is. Alright, so now that I've taken those harnesses out, all I gotta do is grab these 4 tins. Alright, so this is the radio. With this, you are going to have to use the factory brackets along with the 95 8202 dash kit, and I will be putting all the links that you need as far as the dash kit and the wire harness in the description, so be sure to look out for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing wired up and let you see what it looks like. Alright guys, so there it is. It's all put back together. Like I said before, all the links to the parts that you need to install something like this will be inside the description. The 95 8202, the 701761, which is the wire harness, but everything's hooked up. It looks good, sounds good, it has a nice little sound to it. If you guys find any value in this video on how to actually take your factory radio out, please leave me a leave me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. And if you want to know, you know, if you got any suggestions on what kind of car you want me to do next, put that down in the comments as well. And then as soon as I get on that car, I'll make sure to try to shout you guys out. Either way, till next time, it's JP signing out, baby. Peace, deuces, love you all.